Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. It's just a take, and I'm very happy because my friends, you are supporting me and my channel. Okay, keep supporting me, keep loving me. Okay, and today I'm going to share one nice trick that how can you download YouTube video very easily. Okay, you do not have to go to the other type of external link, okay, to download the YouTube video. Just you can download from your YouTube page or YouTube app very easily. Okay, suppose I'm here, I'm searching one videos like one song. Okay, I can see one song is here, and I want to download, okay, this video, but this option is hidden here. Okay, this option is hidden here. Okay, how to activate this option and how can you download videos from YouTube. Okay, I'm going to share that trick very easily. Okay, this option is hidden here because of you are not signing Google. Okay, you must sign your Gmail account in Google Chrome. Okay, then after you will be able to download video. Okay friends, let's sign in the account. To sign in account, you go to the sign in option here, just click it. Then after, I'm going to use another account, and here you have to type your Gmail account. Okay, my Gmail account, this is my Gmail account, and next, and here you have to type your password of Gmail account. Then after, click next, click not now. Now you can find out here one download option. Just click download and choose the standard, and you can download it. Okay, this one is the premium video, so you cannot download this video. Okay, I'm going to search next here. This channel, Kaise and Kare, and here from this you can download this video. Okay, let's click the download option. It's downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. Now you can play in offline very easily. Okay friends, only this much today, and if you got any problem then let me know in the comment box. Okay friends, see you next video. Thanks for watching.